Dear students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. I am Dr. Ganpat Nagda, and today we will start periodic table class 9th chemistry ICSE board. Now, the early classification of elements. The earliest classification of elements was dividing them into metals and non-metals. This classification, as was done at a very broad level, had limitations. A German scientist by name Daubigny arranged elements in the ascending order of their atomic masses in triads, that is, in a group of three. The elements in a triad show similar chemical properties. Later, a scientist named Newland devised the law of octave. Mendeleev continued his research based on Newland's work. In this topic, you will learn about the law of octaves, Mendeleev's periodic table, and much more. Now, the importance of classification of elements. Why we classify the elements? Organization and relationship between elements are defined. Properties of elements can be correlated with properties of states of matter. Daubigny's triads. Certain elements could be grouped in a groups of three elements, each such that the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the average of the atomic masses of the other two elements in the triad. Example, strontium, atomic mass equal to 88, has an atomic mass equal to the average of atomic masses of barium and calcium. Bromine, atomic mass 80, has an atomic mass equal to the average of the atomic masses of chlorine and iodine. Now, the drawbacks of Daubigny triads. All elements could not be grouped into triads. The rule did not hold good for any other combination, even within the same family. Law of octaves. Every eighth element starting from any given element has properties similar to the first element in the same pattern as seen in musical notes. The first note sa repeats itself after every 7 notes, thus showing the similarity between periodicity and musical note pattern. This law gave the first idea about periodicity present in elements. Once the rare gases were discovered, it could not explain the similarity between the first and eighth elements. Mendeleev's periodic table. The physical and chemical properties are a periodic function of their atomic masses. Features of Mendeleev's table. Elements are arranged in 8 vertical columns called groups and 7 horizontal rows called periods. Periods change from metallic to non-metallic character from left to right. Merits of Mendeleev's table. All the 63 elements known at the time were classified on the basis of similarities in properties. Gaps were left for those elements yet to be discovered. He predicted the properties of elements which were later discovered. He named these elements Eka boron, Eka aluminum, Eka silicon, Eka manganese, Eka tantalum, etc. All these elements were discovered later with the predicted properties. Predicted element, actual element, Eka aluminum gallium, atomic mass 68, atomic mass 69.7, formula for oxide E2O3, formula of gallium oxide Ga2O3, formula for chloride ECl3, and gallium chloride GaCl3. Demerits of Mendeleev's table. All elements were not arranged in increasing order of atomic weights. Example, cobalt, atomic mass 58.9, was placed before nickel, atomic mass 58.7. Noble gases were not accounted for in the periodic table. No provision made for isotopes. Chemically, similar elements were placed in different groups, while those with similar properties were placed in the same group. Modern periodic table. Scientist Henry Moseley proved that the atomic number of an element is the basic property and not the atomic mass. Thus, atomic number forms the foundation for the modern periodic table. The atomic number of an element is the number of protons in its nucleus. Elements arranged in ascending order of their atomic number has the same valence electron and at regular intervals, thus causing periodicity. In this topic, you will learn about modern periodic law and long form of periodic table. Modern periodic law. Moseley modified Mendeleev's periodic law to form the modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. Atomic number is the total number of protons present in the nucleus and is responsible for the chemical properties of the element. When elements are arranged according to the increasing atomic number, there is a periodicity in the number of valence electrons and corresponding periodicity in chemical properties. The cause of periodicity is the recurrence of similar electronic configuration. Long form of periodic table. Valency increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases from 4 to 0 across the period. Valency remains the same down the group. Ionization potential increases down the group. Atomic size increases down the group due to addition of new shell. Electron affinity decreases down the group. Metallic character and basic nature of oxides decreases across the period. So this is all about the periodic table. Thank you very much. Goodbye.